Earlier this week, Samsung Spain accidentally published an official page for One UI 7 on their website. Now, of course, it didn't stay up for long, but in the short time it was live, it revealed some huge details about One UI 7 that we were all eagerly waiting for. They even shared the official One UI 7 promotion video, which, get this, had already been leaked earlier, but now we know it's absolutely legit. So let's break down everything we saw. First up, One UI 7 introduces a fresh design for app icons. We're talking vibrant, detailed visuals that pop compared to One UI 6.1. If you've ever been frustrated with the slightly flat, minimalistic look of the icons in previous versions, get ready for a more visually exciting experience. The icons have more depth, more color, and honestly, they just look a lot more modern and fun. Next, the lock screen got a complete makeover. The battery indicator is now pill-shaped, giving a sleek and modern look to the top of the screen. But that's not all. There's also a brand new feature called the Now bar that sits at the bottom of the lock screen. The Now bar allows users to keep track of and manage background activities. Things like music playback, voice recordings, and timers now have a dedicated spot right on the lock screen. And here's the cool part. When music is playing, you can tap the Now bar, and it transforms into a full-screen media player, which makes controlling your music a breeze. The lock screen isn't the only place that's getting a refresh. One UI 7 is introducing new widgets in various sizes for the lock screen, and for the home screen, we're getting transparent widgets, giving your device a cleaner and more streamlined look. Let's talk about the Quick Panel, which also got a pretty significant redesign. Now you'll be able to customize the horizontal bars for volume and brightness adjustments. This gives you more control over how your settings are displayed and makes accessing those quick settings more intuitive and efficient. Now, here's something I'm sure many of you will appreciate. One UI 7 promises smoother, more fluid animations across the entire system. We're talking lag-free app transitions, snappy responsiveness, and a refined experience overall. The animations for opening the Recent Apps tab have also been revamped to provide a much more seamless and polished experience. So expect a much smoother feel when navigating through your device. As for when we can expect to get our hands on One UI 7, here's what we know. The beta version is expected to roll out soon, likely within the first or second week of December 2024. But if you're not into testing beta software, don't worry. The stable update is planned for release in late January or February 2025, which coincides with the launch of the Galaxy S25 series. So if you're planning to upgrade to the new Galaxy S25, this will be the software that comes preloaded. Of course, if you're hesitant about sideloading apps, you can always just wait for the official update to roll out, so no stress there. And that's all for today. What do you think of these new features in One UI 7? Are you excited about the redesigned lock screen or the smoother animations? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Samsung news and updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, Herna offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans, or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad camera setup with the following specifications: 200 megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10 megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.